Hey guys, it's your girl Rogue, and I am back again with another Rogue Gardener DIY. Today I'm going to show you guys how I just put my golden pothos into some water, made it cute to fit into my living room. I've been teasing and promising this video for a while now. Today I'm going to actually do my Marble Queen pothos. Like, she is so pretty. She has a little bit of damage on her because I haven't been putting her in the sun like I should have. But today she is going in some water, and she is going to go in a nice little lighted area for her. But let's get into the video.
My music is addressed to my people, especially to make them more curious about where they came from and their own identity and pride in that identity.
Okay guys, so you are going to need a couple things. One, your plant. Whichever plant you decide that you want to put in water, have that plant handy and ready. I have a big pitcher of water that I am going to be using. Okay, do not sleep on Dollar Tree. I showed this to you guys in another Dollar Tree haul that I did. I can post it right here for you. But do not sleep on Dollar Tree, okay? I got these diamonds. They're diamondy. Got these diamonds from Dollar Tree. And I also purchased them in the red color. And I have these just glass gems from Dollar Tree. Now, the first thing that you want to do, you also need your vessel, whichever vessel you're going to be using. It's a little foggy right now, but whichever vessel you are going to be using, you will also need that. First thing that you want to do is everything that you are putting inside of your vessel, you want to clean it. So that includes your marble beads, that includes your little gems, your diamonds. All of that needs to be cleaned before it goes in there. You don't know if there's any coating or anything on there. You want to make sure to get all of that off so that nothing harms your plants. And if you can see, this one has been in here for a little while, so it is starting to go down into the beads, and that was the main thing that I wanted. I like how if you see a plant that has been aged into a vessel or a vase, you'll see the roots going down into it, and I love that look. So first things first, I'm going to clean all that, but I'm going to take my plant and get the soil off. Okay guys, so I'm going to just take this, loosen it up a little bit. And this one I purchased for, it has this at the bottom, so sometimes it gets stuck. This is, if you wanted to leave it in the pot, you can actually water this and it waters the plant for you. But it's a little, it goes into the actual plant, into the soil. So once I have it at this point, I literally just massage it. You guys have seen me do this before. I literally just massage everything out of it. It's important to take your time with this because you don't want to damage your roots. Like, that's the whole purpose. You want to see your pretty roots and have a healthy plant. So I'm going to fast forward this for y'all. And when you come back, the roots are going to be clean. Not only do I just love the colors red and white together, I think it is just so fitting for Valentine's Day, and it's so sweet and so loving. Also with, you know, my pink bonnet and my pink shirt, but I just love the color coordination of those two together. While you're cleaning, you may want to run it under water, or even get a spray bottle to spray some of the excess dirt off, and that's okay. It's going in water anyway, so you can also do this underwater and not just dry. Okay, so we're back. Okay, I can definitely say this is not my best cleaning job, but I'm okay with it. Like, I got most of the dirt off. That was the goal. I can squeeze a little bit more water on here. That was the goal, to get majority of the dirt off. If you can see with this one still has a little bit of dirt, but it's okay. So we're gonna set this to the side, okay? Now we're gonna bring back our little vessel, and the way that I want to do this one, it will have the white at the bottom and the red up on the top. So I'm going to start with my marbles that I have cleaned. I'm going to just put them in here like so. Now on this one, I kind of mixed them up. I have red on the, white on the bottom, then the red marbles, then the white diamonds, and then the red diamonds. I want them to be a little bit more separated with this one. The colors to be separated, I should say. And I always put the marbles lower down because they are heavier than the diamonds. So it gives it a good balance at the bottom. See? Okay. Now next I'm going to take my red marble stones and put them right on top. We're going to mix up a little bit, but that's okay. Because we still have, spray those out. We still have the red diamonds to go in. And that's going to fill up the whole top. There we go. Right on top of there. And the real focus I want to be my diamonds, because I love the diamond shape. My uncertified ink company, that is actually our symbol, the diamonds. Okay, so now that this is done, you can see the color difference on there. I'm going to take my water and I pour it at an angle, not just right in the middle, because I don't want it to move the stones too much. There we go. Okay, so you don't have to fill it all the way up yet. Now that I have that cleared, let me adjust a little bit for y'all. Yeah, now you can see it better. Okay, so I'm going to take my plant and put it in. Hey, good morning. I'm talking to my neighbor, y'all. Okay, so now that that's in there, I'm going to take the rest of my water and start filling it up. And if you can see, because the stones, because I put the diamonds on top, now they're going to lift just a little bit to kind of fill in some of the space. So it's not weighted down. It's not weighted down by the heavy marbles. And that is it. And now I have my marble queen, which she is going to be healed up and ready to go soon. Let me get some of that dirt off. You remember this little handy dandy device that I just purchased? I did a haul on that also with my Amazon purchases. And she is done. I don't really have to arrange her that much. Once she gets comfortable, she's going to open up. She's going to open up and make room for herself. So I don't really have to do that in here. Just like this one. So now, these are my two decorated pothos that will be in my home. And thank y'all for coming today. I hope you learned something. And as always, bye cousins. Love ya. If you enjoyed this video from Main Cuisine, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Also, hit us up on all of our social media. Comment, let us know what you want to see from us, because this channel is for you. Bye cousins.